Welcome to our English Learning Channel. Here, you will learn English through simple, everyday stories. It was a normal Monday morning. I woke up at 7 o'clock. I looked at my phone and saw that I was already late. I quickly got out of bed and went to the bathroom. I washed my face and got dressed. Then I went to the kitchen and made a cup of tea. I also ate 2 pieces of bread. Before I left the house, I checked my bag. Phone, keys, wallet. That morning, I had an important meeting at work. I needed to take the bus to the city center. I left my house at 8 o'clock. The weather was cold, but the sun was shining. Many people were walking to work. Cars were moving slowly on the busy. After a few minutes, the bus arrived. I got on the bus and found a seat near the window. The bus was very crowded. There were many people standing. Some people were talking on their phones. Others were looking outside the window. I put my bag on my lap and looked at my phone. Then I received a message from my friend. He asked, "Are you coming to the meeting?" I quickly replied, "Yes, I am on the bus." After that, I put my phone in my pocket. About 20 minutes later, the bus arrived near the city center. I stood up and got ready to leave. When I got off the bus, I suddenly felt something was wrong. I put my hand in my jacket pocket. My phone was there. My keys were there. But my wallet was gone. I stopped walking. "Oh no," I said quietly. I checked my other pocket. Nothing. I opened my bag and looked inside. My wallet was not there. I became very worried. My wallet had my money, bank card, ID card, and some important papers. I quickly went back to the bus stop. Maybe I had dropped it there. I looked around the ground, but I could not find anything. Then I remembered the bus. Maybe I had left my wallet on the seat. I ran back to the bus stop and waited for the next bus. A few minutes later, another bus arrived. I asked the driver, "Excuse me, I was on the last bus. I think I lost my wallet." The driver looked at me. "Does it look like?" he asked. "It is black," I said. "It is small. There is a photo inside." The driver thought for a moment. "I'm sorry," he said. "I did not see a wallet." I thanked him and stepped away from the bus. I felt terrible. I had very little money with me, and my bank card was inside the wallet. I also had an important meeting. I looked at the time. I was already late. I called my friend. "Hello," I said. "Where are you?" he asked. "I am near the bus station. I lost my wallet." "Oh no! Are you okay?" "Yes, but I don't know what to do." "Don't worry," he said. "Come to the office. We can look for it later." I walked to the office. During the meeting, I could not concentrate. I kept thinking about my wallet. After the meeting, I went back to the bus station. I asked at the information desk if anyone had found a wallet. The woman at the desk asked me to describe it. I told her everything. She checked a small box behind the desk. Then she smiled. "Is this your wallet?" She showed me a black wallet. I could not believe my eyes. "Yes, that is my wallet!" I took it from her hands. I opened it quickly. My ID card was there. My bank card. I felt so happy. "Who found it?" I asked. The woman pointed to a young man sitting nearby. "That man brought it to us." I walked over to him. "Thank you so much," I said. He smiled. "You're welcome." I asked him, "Where did you find it?" He explained that he had been on the same bus. When he got off, he gave it to the driver, and the driver brought it to the information desk. I was very grateful. I wanted to give him some money as a thank you, but he refused. "No, thank you," he said. "I just did the right thing." His words stayed in my mind. That day, I learned something important. Sometimes we think people only care about themselves, but there are still many good people in the world. I also learned to be more careful. From that day, I always checked my wallet before leaving a bus, a taxi, or any other place. I also put my important things in a safe pocket. Losing my wallet was stressful, but it taught me a lesson I will never forget. And whenever I remember that day, I remember the young man who found my wallet. He did not know me. He did not have to help me. But he chose to do the right thing. Sometimes a small act of honesty can make a very big difference in someone's life.